Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, and today I am doing my mission inspiration video for June. You can see the first prompt there is add a thin wash of paint or gesso, so I'm adding that on. I'm a little behind because I did the ATC a days for June and had quite a few things going on, so I thought I'd hurry and catch up on my mission inspiration. Get June out of the way, and then I can work on July, right? So, in case you don't know, Mission Inspiration is part of a Facebook group. It's done by Mike Deacon, and they have prompts every month. They're a lot of fun. The colors for June were lilac, banana, and mint green. So you're getting, I think the green actually says mint on it. But just a purple color and a yellow color because I just go with whatever I have on hand. Oh, sorry, that prompt was to make marks with a household item. That was a hot pad, which I saved specifically for making marks because it's fun. And this, of course, is a paper tube. Now the next prompt that I'm following, and I'm not doing them in order. He says you don't have to do them in order, do them any way you want. So the next prompt was to add texture paste through a stencil. And I'm doing this right over the crease in this book, and that's probably not the best thing to do, but I wanted it there. This is a bit of a messy process to do this. Alright, so I repeat that in a couple of places, and I think originally my intention was to have it look like flowers in random places. They end up just being background and not really key to the whole page, I guess I could say. And I scrape through the center, hoping that will help it when I go to close the book. I have closed it now, so hopefully it doesn't seal shut. So the next prompt is to add a focal image, so I'm using yellow. I think this is actually called sunflower yellow, but it'll work for banana. And the word prompts were, or the words for inspiration or bloom, roses, blossom, garden, and leaves. So I decided to paint some flowers in yellow. So the next prompt was to add sparkle or metallic paint, and I had some silver paint sitting here, so I thought I could mix it with the yellow and make centers. It doesn't look metallic anymore, and it's really not a very pretty color. So I decided to move on to the leaves. We'll come back to those centers in a little while and see what we can do to fix them. Alright, so I decided to add a little dark paint. This is actually Payne's Gray, but it looks like black. Just to put something in those centers. And then I decided to put a little bit of a line around some things, just because I felt like everything was like the same value and nothing was standing out very much. I'm not sure if it helped, but you know, that's the fun of these mission inspiration projects. It's time to experiment and see what works and what doesn't. Okay, for my next prompt it was add a border of your choice. And I just happened to have this purple acrylic paint marker that I just recently got at Hobby Lobby on their clearance. So I figured I would make use of it and just doodle sort of a swirly border just for fun. So the next prompt is to add splatters or drips, and I figured I'd use metallic because I didn't feel like the flower centers really stood out as metallic. So I was watering this down to splatter it on there, and it just makes glubby splatter marks. Not very attractive. But I got my splatters in. So the last prompt, I think I've gotten all the prompts in, is to add a word or a quote. So I just came up with this one. So let your dreams blossom. And did it with a metallic marker. And then I'm just kind of highlighting or dark lighting, low lighting the side of one side of each of the letters, just to help it have a little bit more dimension. And that's pretty much it. There'll be some still photos here at the end. I hope you liked my project. Check out Mike's Mission Inspiration Facebook group or his YouTube channel. He shows all of his on his YouTube channel. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're not already a subscriber and you like what you see, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.